Now let's talk about the strategies for the ITC maximization. If you see what is ITC from the layman angle, it is nothing but the input tax credit that you are taking on the tax that you are already paid to your supplier when you bought some kind of goods or services from him, right? So it's become important as the two parties are getting involved. You should be knowing about your vendors, whether your vendor is a compliant vendor or not, because ultimately if he is not a compliant vendor, it will immediately affect you while taking your input tax credit, right? So the first and foremost part of knowing your vendor is important. As the two parties involved, the document recorded by him and the document that you are recording in your purchase registered, there should be some similarities and it should get comparable so that you can take a ITC, a meaningful ITC out of it. Because if there are any kind of a mismatches or any kind of a discrepancies in the data, obviously you need to get it sorted out by yourself in your data, or either if any kind of a mistake is done by your vendor. Hence this reconciliation parts become important. So you should be having that vendor level reconciliation as well as 360-degree reconciliation, vendor plus invoice level, and the further possibilities of the various kind of user defined rules which you can run on your data to get the maximum results of comparable invoices, right? So these are the some of the important things that you should have in place for the calculation of ITC. Not only the reconciliation part, but some kind of important reports and the insights which can give you a comparative view between what you have filed in 1 and 3B, what is there coming in your 2B, and what you have filed in 3B. Those kind of insights and the reports also will help. And yes, importantly, the e-invoicing, the way we are saying, uh, you can use this e-invoicing ka data as an automated input for your purchase register. So it will scrub all your the manual working of preparation of your purchase register and then taking those data for the reconciliation. And if any kind of a manual work is there, so yes, so the possibility is there that some kind of a mismatches here and there will happen. But end-to-end solution, if you integrate, then there are very little chances that this kind of issues you will face. So hence the importance of leveraging this e-invoicing ka data to your purchase register will also help you to maximize your ITC. Now let's go one by one in detail about this each and every strategy that you can build in or you can use in through your softwares that you are using.